Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm actually going to work on my girlfriend Bree's Mini. If you guys remember her, she's the one that helped me start to learn to drift. Love her, she is the greatest. Her Mini needs coil packs, so I suggested we do spark plugs at the same time. So I'm gonna go over there, help her out with that since she's not really done a lot of work on the Mini and I might know a thing or two about them. So I'm gonna go over to her house, help her out, taking the Z4. So figured you guys might want to come along and see another one of my friend's cars. So let's head over there. I literally love driving this car so freaking much. Oh my gosh, it's so fun.
Midnight and city lights on the other side.
So we've officially made it to Bree's. Look at this Porsche. Oh my god. So nice. So very nice. Alright. Let's go in. Start working on this car.
You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight.
Okay, so we're with Bree.
Hello, Juliet's channel. I'm here. Hi, my name is Bree.
She's back again.
I am back again.
Working on the Mini. Very exciting. Coil packs and spark plugs.
I felt like I had to call a professional, you know, because like Juliet is always working on her Mini Cooper, and like I literally had her drive my car not too long ago, and I was like, what is wrong with it? I think something's like wrong with it. And she was like, you just need like spark plugs and coil packs, girl. I got you. When was your last maintenance? And I was like,
It wasn't.
It's a daily, okay? It's different, okay? Yours is a race car, mine's a daily. But here's my little humble abode.
Adorable. I love it.
Mini Clubman. It's a 2014. And it's on Fortunato coilovers and some XXRs. It's freaking slammed. It looks great, but it's not performing that great right now because I need new coil packs.
For now.
For now.
Give me like 10 minutes.
10 minutes, literally.
Literally. All right. So we're gonna hop right into this and fix it up. Let's go.
All right.
You're calling to say hi, but your words they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud.
Look at you go all by yourself.
You know, that's what we're here for. I'm actually teaching you today, in case if you were unaware.
Yeah.
It's all good. Look at you go. Already.
It's like I do this all the time.
It's like you've done this before. It's so interesting.
Amazing. I told you, like 10 minutes to take it apart and put it back together. Like I got this.
I honestly thought that you were exaggerating at that point in time. Like I was like, oh, you're just being extra. You're just showing off.
No faith in my craft.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
There's number one.
How do we look?
Not half bad.
All right.
Not half bad. There you go. Number two. Not bad.
Wow. Wow, front wheel drive things. Look at how close my turbo is. It's literally like right here.
Correct.
I'm so unaware of these things.
They're not all like that. That's just how this one's set up. Mine,
Really?
Yeah, my Minis is on the back.
What? They changed it that much from one car to the other? Or it was just like changed by the years and stuff?
Yeah, well, I mean, I have a whole different motor in mine.
Oh, wow. Okay. Interesting. Yes.
Yeah. I do have a second gen though, so it is set up like this. But my main Mini, my race car, it's in the back, yeah. And I have a bigger motor than you. Sorry.
Oh, we're going to play that round. I didn't realize we were males over here. Okay. Wow. I am so impressed.
All right.
So that's great. Good as new, right? We're good to go? Close the hood?
Yes, leave it like that.
Just leave it completely like this. It's perfect. I feel like I'm helping because my hand is touching the...
Yeah. 10 of 10.
10 of 10.
The best assistant mechanic I've ever had. Like,
That's hilarious.
obviously. The best. Only the best.
The best looking, that's for sure. I'll give you that.
That is fact.
That is straight facts. They don't belong in certain ones?
No.
Or no, what?
Yeah, they're all the same.
What? The Z is like very specific of which one belongs where. With the VQs?
Yeah.
Very specific. Like, if one of yours is like in the wrong one, you're fucked and your car's gonna run like shit.
Are your coil packs on top like this, or are they? Is it a coil pack and then you have wires?
Yeah, a coil pack and then wires.
That's why.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the older ones, they have wires too. Same thing. If you don't connect them right, it won't run.
Yep.
but these ones where the foil pack's on top, they're all the same, so it doesn't matter. Oh, fun facts. Learning stuff and things with Juliet and Bree.
Fun facts, learning stuff and things with Juliet and Bree. That should literally be what we call this. Fun fact, learning stuff and things with Juliet and Bree. Oh my gosh.
If our lady brains can do it, your lady brain can do it.
Oh my god.
I have full faith in all of the women on my channel.
Hell yeah.
It's not that. See, like, you were so scared of this. You're like,
I was.
I'm so worried. I don't know what I'm doing.
You know, it probably would have taken me like a half an hour just to pull this off and convince myself that I wasn't gonna break. Oh my god, we're already done.
That's it. Yeah, you're done.
Holy crap.
Yeah. And then we just put this back on.
Dude, what?
This little thing is the most annoying thing of the whole time.
And you know what's hilarious is like I watch your videos and you would assume that I would be like, oh, this is gonna be so simple. Watch me do this. And like, I didn't even realize that it was like actually this fast in real life, not just like on video. Like it's like actually this fast.
Not all of them are this fast, but this one's always this.
Oh my god. Dude. I wanna like go drive my car now and like see if it's better. Like we should do that. Let's do that.
Ready for our first start?
Yeah, after all that hard work that I did, I feel like I should be the one to start it.
Obviously, yeah. You deserve it.
This way. Let's go fast. Let's go.
Wow,
fast.
you sound like me.
Let's go as fast as we possibly can. Dude, this car is like, I know that
it
like,
already sounds a lot smoother than the last time I was in it.
Running smoother. Like already. Like we haven't even done anything. We haven't even gone anywhere. It's already running smoothly. Don't mind all my pretty little Christmas lights over here, okay? It's festive.
The only thing that I'm looking at is your beautiful face.
Oh my god, you're adorable. Let's get married.
Okay. I'm down. Car feels so much better already. Like and it didn't stutter like it was doing before.
Like we took it above $4,000 and like did not stutter at all. You know what? We're gonna do it again. It's gonna be great.
Absolutely.
There it is. 5, 6.
Oh yeah, it feels so
way
good.
Better.
So
this is what my car used to be like. That's why I bought it. I forgot.
Okay, the Mini is all fixed.
It's stellar. It's amazing. It's like feels like 10 times better. Like now I remember why I bought this car. It makes me want to actually wash it and like take care of it.
Yeah, as you should. She's like.
This is why we don't do vlogs together, because all we do is just laugh the entire time.
It's a long process. It's a lot of takes.
It is a long process. You should have reminded me when I did my brake pads and rotors that I had to change the sensors. I got this stupid brake pad warning now. But I watched your video of you doing the brake pads and the rotors and I was like, that looks so simple, I can do that, you know? I just like don't touch anything from I don't touch my dailies. You don't understand. Like I'll do race car stuff all day long. Dailies, I don't want to touch them. I'm like, take it to the dealership. I can't have anything go wrong with it. Like, let me just, you know, let them do it. Let the professionals do their thing. And I watched you do it and I was like, I can do that. Yeah. And I forgot to change the stupid sensors. And like now it says that I need brake pads. I'm like, they're brand new.
It's fine. It's all fine. As long as you know they're new is what really matters. So.
30,000 miles from now, I'll be like, do I need brakes?
Exactly. And that'll take a while, so.
That's true. That is true.
The car's running so much better. Like last time she had me drive it and it was like stuttering after 4K and I was like, I know what this is.
Even like idling just a little bit, like even like going like slow, like you could feel it was not that fast before.
Yeah, no, it's definitely back to 10 of 10. It feels so good. So super happy I got to help Bree out with this.
I'm so happy you came over.
There's definitely gonna be more because I'm gonna talk her into modifying it more.
We're gonna get you into rear wheel drive as well. That's we got a lot coming up. Okay,
there's a lot. All right, peace out, guys. I will catch you in the next one.
Bye.